positive indexing or negative indexing. Both are possible. So we'll just quickly go through that operation, sir. So that we'll complete now, tell me, sir, the basic string data type and the different kinds of operations which we can perform, how to access individual characters, how to point the length, how to slice it. Okay? Right. So now let's see, sir. Okay. Suppose when I just have some, look at this here. When I just have a string like this, the LTC students are noisy. We'll just look at that, sir. So what we can understand here, yes, I have some words, a group of characters separated by some words, separated by some spaces also. Am I right, sir? Tell me, yes. Even every space is treated as the words to tell me a character. So while it is counting words to tell me the length of a given string, it still accounts for the words spaces also. Not only the characters, even the spaces will be also considered as a part of the string if you have spaces in between. Okay, so that will be also given an index value. Try to understand. Okay, so let me just take a smaller length string because you have to understand it, sir. So now let's say, okay, now let's say I'm just considering, sir, for example. So just give me the dust. Give me the dust.
अभी तक नहीं दिया ऐसा ही है टीचर कहते हैं ना तो टीचर को टीचर को पूछा करा था
So let us say I'm just considering as if that x is equals to LTCE has 6 branches. Just consider. Let's say I'm just considering what's a string of x is equals to LTCE has a 6 branches. Okay. Just consider, sir. Now look at this, everyone. Look at this string, everyone. When I just look at some, yes, it has some specific length. Okay. Can anyone just tell me what is the length of this string, sir? LTCE 4 characters followed by a space 5 has 3 characters 8 followed by a space 9 6 is 1 character 10 then a space 11 then branches 7 characters correct sir 7 or 8 8 okay 11 plus 8 how much sir 19 the length of this string is how much here 19 okay so every space you are counting every character you are counting sir every character you are counting so whatever is present inside the double quotes everything you are counting including the space also okay that means sir when this is having a length of 19 characters sir yes every character here is what's indexed that means that I can even access these individual characters just from the tell me everyone sir just from this what's the string just by following what's the indexing formula. What is that? That's very simple sir. I think you know sir when any string or when any array contains n elements or n characters it will always start the index value from 0 and ends at n minus 1 ends at n minus 1. So here, what is my n sir? What is length here sir? Just now we said 19 characters is my length. So the first character here will be having what's it will be assigned an index value of 0. The second character T will be having an index value of 1. The third character C will be having an index value of 2 and so on and so on. The last character and the last character. So the length is here how much sir? 19. The last character will become what's n minus 1. Nothing but 18. 18. Okay? 18. That means every character is now what's having an index value. Always the index value starts from 0 and the last character index value becomes what's the length minus 1. So if you have 19 characters, the last character length becomes what, sir? The index value becomes what, sir? 18. The first character index value becomes what, sir? 0. So, if I want to access any of such characters, individual characters out of that string, I can just access using their index value. How can I access it, sir? What is the name of the string you have given, sir? X. So you will just use what's a subscript bracket like this, a square braces like this, and inside that braces, sir, you mention the index value. Suppose if I give x of 0, what it points to, what it gives, sir? X of 0. That means it gives the first character in the word, sir, given string, or a character with 0 index. So right, sir? Yes. What is that? L. It returns L. I hope you understand. It returns L or it gives L. If I say x of 1, if I say x of 1, what it gives, sir? T. Can anyone just tell me, if I write, sir, x of 4, what I get it, sir? Look at that, everyone. If I write x of 4, what I get it, sir? Space, empty, you don't say anything, it's a space. Am I right, everyone? Yes. You cannot see that because space means you can physically also see it. It's just like empty space. Okay? Right. So, similarly, x of 18, what it becomes, tell me everyone, sir? The last character, what is that? Yes. Yes. Okay? So that's how you can access even individual characters, sir, using the index value. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear, everyone, sir? Yes. Okay, a string is always what's the index, where using that index value, you can access either individual characters or you can access a part of the string also. A part of the what's a string also. So now I am coming to, sir, the most important concept which we'll be using, sir, in our coding part or in competitive exams part, sir, which is called slicing. String slicing, nothing but selecting a specific part of the string using this index values. Okay, now using this index values. So now let us understand that part, sir, clearly, everyone. Now everything I'll implement, sir, don't worry. First try to understand it. After that I'll show you also everything with also Python implementation. Just try to understand. Now let us say, sir, for example, okay, I have. Come on, listen carefully. I have just mentioned, sir, something like this. Let's say x of, okay, the starting index I am mentioning 0, the starting index mentioning 0, the ending index I am mentioning 10. I am just also mentioning something like this. What is that? X of 0 is to 10. X of 0 is to 10. So what does it mean, sir? That you want to select the only part of the string which is starting at index 0 and which is ending at index 10. Not 10. 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. So always if you mention the last index is 10, you'll get before it. You'll get what's tell me? One character before it, it will be what's display. So that means now we have a 19 characters length total, but out of that you are only picking up, tell me everyone, so tell me 10 characters length here. Starting at, tell me everyone, sir, index 0, ending at 10 minus 1, not 10, 10 minus 1, okay? So that is 9, okay? That is 9. So if I just write like this, sir, x of 0 is to 10, can you just tell me, what is the output you get it, sir? What is the output you get it, sir? Yes, you get first 10 characters. What are the first 10 characters? LTCE, okay? Space, I got 5 now. Right, sir, listen. Okay? Now let's see. Come on, listen. So here, I'm just selecting only part of the string here, sir. That is starting at index 0 and ending at index value 10 minus 1. That means what is the part we are getting, sir? LTCE, first character, 4 characters we got. A space, okay, 5, has Now total what's the length? 8 characters. Then 2 more characters. A space and 6. You'll get this. You'll get this. I hope you understand. You'll get this, sir. Yes. So now you're able to pick up a part of the string. Amma, boys, everyone this side. Just I got a call from my father. I'm attending, so you started again. Just okay, right. See now, LTCE has 6. We got just part of it. What is actually string we have written, sir? LTCE has 6 branches, but out of that I'm able to pick up only the part of it. I just want to access only the first 10 characters. So I'm mentioning the index values, or I'm slicing it just by mentioning also the convention and what's the X of the starting character from where I want to have it, and tell me the index, just what's the tell me, whatever I mentioned the last index, before that character I will be getting it. Before that index I will be getting it. So if I just mention tell me X of 0 is to n, it will display what's the tell me 0 to n minus 1 index characters. Am I right everyone? Yes. This is called slicing. This is called what's a slicing. So is this always with respect to positive indexing? Can we also take negative indexing? Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. When you are processing the string in reverse direction, you can start with what's a negative indexing. Negative indexing. Okay. So now, let us see, sir, everyone here. I'm just saying like this, sir. Just consider. I'm just writing, sir. First, what is x of minus 1? I just want to access, tell me everyone. X of minus 1. So, what do you mean by this x of minus 1 becomes your answer? It is the word, sir, last character. Yes, sir. When you are actually processing a string from the beginning to the ending, you're always starting with the index value of 0, and the last character index value becomes what we said, sir? The length of the string minus 1. So, but still, the Python allows us to process even a string in what's a reverse way also. I can even take the string from the what's tell me last onwards. So always the last what's tell me character will have a negative index value of tell me sir minus 1. Minus 1. Then before that what it happens tell me minus 2. Before that what it happens sir minus 3, and then minus 4, and so on. And so on. Am I right?
Yes.
Am I right everyone? Yes sir. Yes. So the similar kind of slicing operation what we have seen with respect to the positive indexing is also applicable with respect to what's a negative indexing. Negative indexing. So now can we implement all this in Python? Tell me, can we implement all these operations now? Tell me, yes, we'll see that. Okay, so that we'll get complete clarity over how exactly what's tell me, okay, the accessing of individual characters using indexing is working, how slicing is working with respect to positive indexing and what's negative indexing, and what happens when I miss, tell me the ending index, what happens when I miss the starting index, okay, when I only mention one index as a part of the slicing, let's see now how it goes, okay, so everything now we'll try to understand here clearly. Yeah, let's see now. Implementing what's the entire thing what we discussed on the string operations, now I am implementing what's in Python. Just look at this carefully. Okay, so I think the length function already we have seen, am I right sir? Tell me. Yes, okay. So now let us try to understand this basic indexing and all, and how can you access individual students. So now I am just saying, let's say, okay, a string called x is equals to LTCE students are noisy. Just consider. Let's say LTCE students are noisy. This is the string I am taking. Am I right, sir? Tell me.
Yes.
Yes or no? Yes. Okay. I'm just accessing it now. Let's say individual characters. So x of 0. Let us just enter. What I am getting, see everyone. What I am getting here, sir? L. I got it L. The first character of that string I am able to access. The first character of the string I am able to access now. So just one character I am accessing now, sir. Okay? Similarly, as I am just mentioning, sir, x of 5. What is x of 5? That means sixth character in the given string. What is the sixth character in the given string? Come on, answer everyone. What is the sixth character in the given string? Look at that. First one LTCE, 4 characters. Space is fifth character. Sixth character is ES. Its index value is 5. So that's why I'm writing what's the x of 5. We must get S. Am I right, sir?
Yes.
Tell me. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. It is S. It is S. Yes. So now we have understood, sir, how to access the individual characters just using what's the index value. So now I'm going to the slicing. Sir. X of, I'm just writing, sir, 0:5. That means, tell me, what does it mean? It means, sir, you are starting your string at the starting index 0 and you are ending the string at not 5. 5 minus 1. That means the 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index and 4 index. So you have to get first 5 characters. Am I right? Yes. What are the first 5 characters? First 4 characters are LTCE and next ones are space. So, okay, but you will only see 4 characters there. Am I right, sir? LTC, because space you cannot recognize. Am I right, everyone? Yes. So now let us print what you get it, sir. Now let us see what you get it here. Look at this, everyone. LTCE. After that there is some space and then it is closing. Am I right, sir? Tell me, it is a string now. Yes, now we can identify it. Am I right, everyone? Yes. Yes, after LTCE, immediately it is not closing. There is some gap. That is nothing but whatever. Tell me, last character, space. Last character, space. Okay. So now, similarly, see everyone. I'm just writing some part, something like this. 3:6. Now tell me now what you get it here. 3:6. It starts at third character and ends at, tell me, sir, it starts at third index and ends at what, sir? 6 minus 1, fifth index. Okay? That means it will display only 3 characters. 3, 4, 5 indexes. 3, 4, 5. What are they? 3, 4, 5? C, E, space. C, E, L, T, sorry. L, T, C, E. It starts with E. Third index means fourth one. Okay, character. E, space. Yes, yes, sir. Now I'm just, look at that. Yes, E, space. Yes. That's all. E, space. Yes. Starting at third index and ending at 6 minus 1, fifth index. I hope you understand.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Now I'm putting up just a different thing here. Let's see how we are getting it now. So X of 5:, that's all. I didn't mention any ending character. I didn't mention any words on the ending index. Am I right, sir? Then what it means? Can anyone? Yes, sir. It starts at, tell me everyone, fifth index and goes till end. Because you didn't mention any words, sir. Ending words are restriction here. It goes till end. Now let us see what it gives. Look at this. Students are noisy. It's coming till end. But starting at what, tell me? Fifth index. What is the fifth index? S. Students is the first character S. So from S onwards we are going last. Students are noisy. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. Okay. Similarly, I'm just now writing some like this. So X of, now I am missing beginning index. And mentioning 6. Can anyone tell me what you get it now? Since you missed the beginning, it starts from the first index, goes till not 6, 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1. That means what's the fifth index? Fifth index means you get first 6 characters. Am I right, sir? Tell me, yes. What are the first 6 characters? LTCE, space, yes. LTCE, space, yes. Now let us see whether we'll get the same or not. Look at that, sir. Yes, I got the same. I got the same. Am I right, everyone? Am I right, everyone? Yes, sir. LTCE space yes. LTCE space yes. Yes, sir. This is the way you can perform. Tell me, everyone, sir. Slicing. But still, we didn't see negative slicing. Am I right, sir? Yes. Let us just quickly go through that also, sir. So that we'll finish now completely what, sir? The information about string data type and its implementation. Okay? Right. So now I'm doing now X of please, no noise. Last page is still. Stop the discussion. If anything you want to discuss, you discuss with me. I'm ready to answer, sir. Any type of questions, please. Okay? Do not just for time pass, do not chat with your friends, please. Look at here. Listen here, everyone. Let's say X of, I'm writing, sir, like this. -4. Can anyone answer? X of -4. What is that it gives? X of -4. Can anyone answer? Already I've written here, see. Negative indexing. X of -4 means, sir? Tell me. It is the fourth index from the last. Or the fourth character from the last. So what is the fourth character from the last here, Sameer? Okay. Y, S, I, O. You'll be getting what, sir? O. Now let us see whether it is O or not. Now let's see whether it is O or not. Yes, I got O. I got O, sir. I hope you understand. Now, I just want to also see like this, sir. X of -5 colon -1. Can anyone answer what is this answer? What it will be? X of -5 colon -1. So where it starts and where it ends?
Noisy.
It starts at
Noisy.
-5. Okay, index you done. -5. Ends at
S.
It's not -1. Ends at -1. Nothing but -2. So except the last character. Sir, you'll get till last before character. Right, everyone? Yes. That means what will be the part here? That means you'll get it like this, sir. So it starts at -5, means -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. You'll get noise except Y. Alright, sir?
Yes.
Yes or no? Yes. Let us see now. Yes, whether we get the same or not. Yes, sir, you got it. Noise. N-O-I-S. Yes, so whatever way you are slicing with respect to the positive indexing, sir, is also applicable with respect to negative indexing. Come on, still everyone. The last benches, please stop the discussion, everyone. We have another 20 minutes, please bear with me. Already I have given break only for your convenience. No noise, sir. If this is the case, I'll ask 2 of your teachers to come and sit. Then you will not be this much comfortable. Just make the word, sir, use of it. Do not take it granted, everyone. Right, listen. So, we understood now, tell me, even the negative indexing is also we can apply the slicing with respect to negative indexing also. Okay. Yes, sir. So this is the way you can perform what you tell me, the string operations. String is one of the important data type and what's the important operations we always talk about, sir, with respect to our competitive coding also. So if I want to solve any competitive coding, sir, I must have complete idea on all these. So that's why also we are focusing on each and every point and we are implementing on this also string data type. Is that clear, sir? Is that clear, everyone? Yes. So now my question to you, let's see how many of you will answer. Sir, I took here x of -5 is to -1. Na? Can I write, sir, x of -1 is to -5? Understand my question? Here I have written x of -5 colon -1. Now can I write, sir, x of -1 colon -5? If you say yes or no, you must support your answer. What exactly it gives? First, tell me answer yes or no. Yes. Yes, you are saying that you can write x of what, sir? Minus 1 colon minus 5. No, you cannot write. You cannot write because, sir, see, remember everyone, in slicing there is a thumb rule. What is the thumb rule, sir? Always your starting index should be less than your ending index. Always your starting index should be less than your ending index. If I write, sir, x of minus 1 colon minus 5, here, what is your starting index, sir? Minus 1. What is your ending index, sir? Minus 5. Is minus 5 greater or minus 1 greater? Is minus 5 greater or minus 1 greater? Minus 1 greater. But where you are putting that? Where you are putting that, sir? Greater at the beginning place. And ending place what's a smaller. No, that is a violation of slicing rule. In slicing rule, remember everyone, sir, when you are mentioning two indexes where you want to select that specific part, the starting index should be always smaller than ending index. You cannot begin the what's tell me the starting index with the highest value, and you cannot keep telling everyone, sir, the ending index has a smallest value. That means that a string cannot be processed in reverse order. Am I right, everyone? Am I right, everyone? Yes. You should always process only in what's a forward direction. You can use negative indexing, but there is a thumb rule that tell me the starting index should not be what's tell me also more than the ending index. So starting index should be always less, ending index should be always more. So can we see what happens here by giving that point, sir? Yes, let's see now what it happens. Look at this. So here I am just giving, sir, x of, before I am given minus 5 minus 1, now I am giving minus 1 colon minus 5. Now I am giving what's up? Minus 1 colon minus 5. First index is larger, the last ending index is smaller. Now let us see what it gives. Now look at the what it is giving. Nothing. Nothing is just empty. That's right. Empty is also taken as also. Here, string here, don't think that it will string. You give anything, you will get the same. Any other index you give it, you will get the same. Now right, everyone? Yes. Okay, that means it is not allowed. It will not be giving what's up any part of the string. That's all, sir. I hope you understand. Everyone now tell me the string data type. So first we have seen numeric data types with all its implementation, then string data type with all